First of all, open your image in Photoshop by going to File, then clicking on New. Select your image and click on Open. Let's crop the image by selecting the Crop tool. Make the width to be 1.5 inches, then the height as 2 inches. We will now make the image brighter by going to Image, then Image Size. Make the resolution as 200 pixels. We will stroke the corners of the image. Go to Edit, then Fill. Make sure the color is set to white. Then stroke it by 1 pixels. Click Ctrl+T to open the free transform tool. Resize the image to give a little spacing to create the corner spacing effect. Let's create a new file by going to File, then clicking on New. Make the width as 1200 pixels, and height as 800 pixels, and resolution as 200 pixels. Go back to the image. Go to Edit, then select Define Pattern. Make the image as a pattern by clicking on OK. Go back to the file. Then go to Edit, then select Fill. Make sure under Use, Pattern is selected. Under Custom Pattern, select the image. That is all for today. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe.